I'm now at Milong Tech. We are dealing I'm doing factory security. There were other competitors in this job. My CV was kind of luckily picked for the purpose of coming to do this job. And this appointment was created because of security solutions that the company had gone through since inception in 2016. At the time of employment, pre-employment stages were done. The time of employment was medical. And so when I went to Occupational Health Institute, Health and Safety Institute in Kitwe, discovered that I had hernia. And this hernia was lateral. It had developed in two positions in the groin region. And the groin region, for me, at this advanced age, I thought I was just growing fat with muscles lapsing. And yet it was a condition. And then there was an immediate recommendation that I must correct that hernia, otherwise it would lapse into a dangerous ailment. At first instance, that pushed my blood pressure up, out of anxiety and so on. But after intensive liaison with the Milong Teng management and the institution management. What is notable about Milong Teng, Zambia, is that the HR department and management were knowledgeable about hernia, unlike other conditions, being correctable in 6 weeks of undergoing a surgery. And all being equal, if there are no other complications, one must be up and running to take up a job. And so that's the professional stance and stamina they professionally held on to. And in that regard, I'm here now with the job, a new appointment, and keeping them run like ever before. I feel a lot stronger than 2, 3, 4, 10 years before the hernia operation. Symptoms were many. I didn't know it was hernia. At some stage, I even suspected being a casualty of or a patient of prostate cancer. And yet some of those symptoms, the pains in the back and the scrotum lower region and stuff, were because of the hernia, according to some of these points shared with medical professionals. So I went to Maina Soko Military Hospital or medical center, because of my service background, and had a successful procedure on the 25th of April this year. After that, it was just a healing process, and I got a special certificate. I want to encourage the institution, to always stand ground to ensure that what they discover about people, they must tell them, because it's only right to do that. I didn't know that I had any. I could have just dropped dead. And even my high blood pressures were also going up subsequently to readings like 227 over 160 something, which was highly abnormal. But now I learned how I got back on the treatment regime. A lesson for other institutions, especially big corporate institutions. If an individual attends an interview, which is one practice this company did, depending on the professional advice, this condition is repairable, this person can still come back and work for you or with you. So institutions must borrow this without fuss.